Welcome to Neutral Vibes. Today we will be doing roasted chicken with stuffed rice. Come with us as we go on another culinary adventure. Stay tuned. Welcome to Neutral Vibes. Cooking with Neutral. Today we are using the very best, our own Jamaican produce, the best dressed chicken. Why is it the very best? It has no hormone added. It's farm raised and no antibiotics. So folks, be free to try our own special best dressed chicken. Thank you. Join with me as we prepare this delicious meal. So I've just taken out my chicken out of the parcel, so it's now time for me to clean it. So we are Jamaicans and we love to do things perfectly. So between these we have some not so sightly things, you understand? So what we do, we normally open up the chicken and ensure that these things are removed. So now that our chicken is clean, there are some persons who love the oil can. This little thing right here on the chicken, you can zoom in right here, but we don't normally use it, so we are going to cut it off and discard it. The oil can. Back in the days when we were unable to afford cooking oil, we would fry the chicken fat and also the oil can in order to produce oil to cook with. But thank God for modernization. I don't normally eat this part of the chicken. These, not much flesh on it. Not much flesh on these parts, so I normally discard it. Cut it right there. These are waste matters. So this is our Jamaican traditional mortar. This is what we used then when we didn't have any blender or grinders to crush our vegetables. So I'm taking you way back in history, and this is very much African tradition. So this is the item that you use and you pound it. So this is how we use a traditional mortar. We pound or we ground our seasoning until it reaches the desired texture. And you know, garlic adds a ton load of flavor to every meal that is prepared. So we have reached our desired texture, and this is what we are looking for. So we are going to put this on our chicken, and it's okay to do this Me personally, I love when my food is tasting of a whole lot of garlic. And then we also have pimento. If the food doesn't have spice, it's not good. The spice is what helps us to give that flavor to our food. Yeah, we're a very flavorful people. Alright. And now we had our pimento. And we also have some Scotch bonnet pepper, which we this is known as the jerk seasoning. Oh, look at that. So we are using our scissors to just get under the meat so that the seasoning can effectively marinate under it. Right under there. Isn't this beautiful? Alright. And we marinate. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. By doing that, you help the channel greatly. Thank you. This is our rice that we have pre-cooked. So this is our seasoned rice. So this is what will be used for stuffing inside our chicken. We don't need much. Also potatoes, potato or potato, whichever it is. Potato, potato, tomato, tomato. And sweet pepper, green sweet pepper as well, and then to ensure that these are properly cooked once more, have to have add our butter. Carrots, onions, and then we mix. Ensure that all of this blends together properly, and this will be the stuffing for our chicken. Okay. Now we open the cavity of our chicken and we apply now that our stuffing is inside, we will be closing the cavity of the chicken. We have to ensure that all of the essential juices are locked inside. So now that our chicken is wrapped in foil and baking paper, we'll be placing it into our oven right now. So this will be cooking for 1.5 hours. And inside she goes. Woo. spiritual vibes. This is roasted chicken stuffed with rice. Not just rice, but seasoned rice. And big up my friend Rutan. Very hot. Very hot. But come along. Let's see what's going on in the grill. And by now, it should be finished preparing. Awesome. So this is the finished product of our roasted chicken with stuffed rice. And let me add the final touch to it. This is the final touch. And if you can see here, isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? And this is the final product, folks. This is the final product.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.